Welcome to Pip4Web. First of all, a note of caution. There is a word going around that you can make a quick buck on the internet by doing nothing all day long. Not true. However, at Pip4Web, you can earn decent amounts of money with ease of accessibility if you are willing to devote time and effort. But first of all, let's consider what you get with a membership. What you get is the members discount on instant flight booking portal for domestic or international flights in every corner of the world, heavily discounted trips on cruises to most exotic waters such as the Caribbean, Indochina, Pacific, and many more. Special discounts on Christian hotels and resorts booking around the globe with length of stay and accommodation of your choice. Discounted bookings for wildlife safaris into uncharted locals in Africa, India, Australia, and many more. VoIP calling services, a software compatible with all mobile servers, namely Android, iPhone, BlackBerry, etc. that enables calling on any phone number. Members get lifetime talk time to call other members of ours for free. It empowers you to call anywhere in the world to non-members with unbelievably low tariffs and astonishing sound clarity. You need not to change your number. Just download the software and start calling. Free ebooks for members on topics as variable as business, motivational, bestsellers, classics, with additions made every month based on popularity amongst members. Web Builder. Usually companies provide a rather basic form of web building tool that is not user-friendly and too complicated. Simply fill a questionnaire form right after you sign up. Straight away, select a title of tabs and provide basic text for your website. If you want, you can yourself elaborate the text in detail, or you can choose for our text writing services for a sum of $10. You can thereby make your own website in order to promote your networking, or you can also use it to promote any business of your choice. What you get is income from a number of modes such as binary income, direct income in 3 levels, and pool income in 3 levels, plus a wide range of incentives and timely rewards. The plan is within a single board without any need to maneuver an ID through numerous boards at the same time. This board has 3 successive levels apart from the placement level, where a new ID joins the qualifier ID that again comes to the level once the board breaks. Each of these 3 levels receive 100 to 100% distribution of income equally for first and second, and whole sum to the 3rd level. Direct income. Whenever you directly sponsor an ID under your ID, you get 10% direct income. There is no limit as to how many directs an ID can have. Binary income. 10% binary income is distributed for capping, and trimming is applicable. For binary income, 1 left and 1 right IDs are mandatory. 3 generation income. First generation 3%, second generation 2%, and third generation 1%. Spilled oversell income, an immaculate income that is earned once any ID that even may be totally unrelated to yours falls under you directly. You receive 2.5% on any such ID. Mufti Achiever. During weekly closing, the software randomizer would select 25 IDs that have no income generated in the first week of joining. To the account of these 25 IDs, 5% of total weekly turnover will be equally distributed. This totally unforeseen income ensures that even for a freshly joined ID, there is a good chance of earning in its very first week without any effort. Stalwart Achievers. Every week's top 10 earners would receive 5% of total weekly turnover to be equally distributed among them. This income is in recognition of the best of our members' efforts. This 3-dimensional business model keeps in view of all 3 categories of business approaches, namely the secondary networker, the regular networker, and the major networker. These are the values with which we conduct ourselves and improve living standards, as well as create new opportunities every day. It's time you become part of the experience. Thank you for watching this video. For further details, contact pip4web@gmail.com.